Well, we're almost there. Your site should be up and running and now just needs some final tweaking to make it work. Generally, this is done by adding plugins. Plugins add extra functionality to your website. Since not all websites may need a calendar, it's not part of the WordPress base install. But if you need something like that, all you have to do is go to your plugin menu, search for the plugin you need, click install, and boom, your WordPress now has that functionality added in. So how do you find your plugins? First, you need to realize that something that you want in or happening on your website is missing. You may want your site to do something that it doesn't do. The hard part is coming up with a term for the functionality you want to add. It may take 2 or 3 attempts, but try. Then search Google for WordPress plugin and then the functionality, like WordPress plugin calendar, and look at the results. Find one you like, go to Plugins, Add New, and search for the plugin name you just came up with. Install and see if it works. Plugins are occasionally updated, some more than others. Don't be alarmed if you see a plugin asking to be updated. That's normal. There are a few plugins I recommend you install. Jetpack adds a lot of extra functionality you may like, including visitor tracking. IQ Block Country will allow you to block people from outside of the US doing probes and attacks on your site. Font Awesome adds some very awesome graphics to your website. And Really Simple SSL is a great way to enforce secure connections to your website. But most important for this discussion is Yoast SEO. I do want you to download and install this plugin. We will use it extensively in the next chapter. As fun as plugins can be, they can also mess up your site. When troubleshooting, the best thing to do is turn off all your plugins, then turn them back on one by one to find out which is the rogue plugin. In my experience, plugins are usually most of the problems we find in WordPress. Also, the more plugins you run, the slower your WordPress will be. So be choosy when adding plugins. If you don't need it, uninstall it.